Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Our today's lecture is on the topic improvement of ripened cheese quality and safety with Thymus masticina L bioactive extract. Let's start with the introduction first. In cheese production, antibiotics occurring salt are commonly used to control microbial growth. The extensive work has been done on the study of the properties of the bioactive compounds present in the plant extract. The research also focuses on the full understanding of composition, mechanism of action, toxicology aspects, and potential health benefit of bioactive compounds. Here we are talking about the Thymus masticina L as a bioactive compound. Let's see what is. Thymus are normally used as a species and or a medicinal herb. Thymus masticina L is belongs to the Laminaceae family. The essential oil isolated from Thymus masticina L, which are rich in 1,8 cineole, that is 57.8%, and limonene that exists in amount 10.8%. Besides the flavoring properties, several authors refers to its antimicrobial and antifungal activity, anti-tumor properties, as well as its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties not only contribute to enhance the organoleptic properties of the food, but also improve the shelf life of product to which they are added. Next is the bioactive compounds in the food industry. In the food industry, the use of antioxidant is a common practice that envisages the retardation of the oxidative reactions and thus increasing the shelf life of food products. The use of synthetic antioxidant has been the subject of some controversies, specifically regarding the health issues. That is why the use of natural antioxidant is envisaged as an excellent alternative for the replacement of the synthetic product. Several cheese including includes the addition of plant extract in their recipes to gain particularly sensory characteristics. It was also mentioned that the presence of essential oil also reduces the development of lactic acid bacteria and lower the total microbial counts. There has been many tests conducted regarding this bioactive compound, that is the Thymus masticina extract. Some of the case studies I have been discussed in this lecture. First one is the antioxidant activity of Thymus masticina L extract. This case study refers to the efficacy of Thymus masticana L bioactive extract applied to cheese as an alternative to the salt used in cheese formulation. To commercial synthetic product used for spoilage control in cheese surfaces during ripening and to fumigation agent in ripening chambers. The higher antioxidant capacity and total phenolic compounds of aqueous extract favors the utilization of aqueous extract in view of the increase of the nutritional and antioxidant capacity of the food. The next test was the Thymus masticana L aqueous extract as a salt substitute in ripened cheese. Thymus masticana L is popularly known as the pure salt, a name that emphasizes its character as a flavor enhancer. Ripened cheese with and without addition of aqueous extract of Thymus masticana L were produced and compared, and there has been a series of tests were developed with the intention to evaluate the use of aqueous extract of T. masticana L applied to the cheese curd on the physiochemical, nutritional, and sensory characteristics of the cheese. Talking about the first one is the physiochemical evaluation of the cheese. Cheeses were evaluated for their moisture, fat, salt content, humidity is in defatted cheese, pH, titrable acidity, and water activity. Cheeses with added aqueous extract of T. masticana L extract present slightly lower amount of humidity. The lower water content result in the higher hardness values observed for this cheese. The next one is the observation on based on the sensory evaluation of the cheese. Sensory evaluation has been conducted, and that is the triangular test were performed using an untrained panel of 21 persons were performed in order to detect differences between the conventional cheese and the cheese with the aqueous extract. Only 47.6% of the panelists were able to detect the difference between the samples, which indicated that there were no significant differences. In the preference test, 57.1% of the consumer preferred cheeses in which the aqueous extract of Thymus masticana L was added. These results encourage the use of extract in cheese. It could now be concluded that the addition of aqueous extract of Thymus masticana L in cheese may offer the possibility to produce cheeses with lower salt content and increased level of antioxidant. Thank you for being with us. I hope you have enjoyed the lecture today. For more information, please log on to our website www.itlsacademy.com and register yourself.